Hi everyone, this is Kristina Hailey. Today I want to share with you how to make stuffed grape leaves. As you see, these are fresh leaves that I just picked. I'm going to put them in boiling water. And because they're fresh and tender, you do not cook them for long. As you see, I'm going to turn off the fire right now. And I'm going to dunk them into the boiling water. As you see, before your eyes, they're changing color. And that's the color that you really want. You do not need them for long. I know some people cook them for 45 minutes prior to cooking. I think those are store-bought from a jar, and the leaves are so thick. These leaves are very thin, so we're just about basically done. I mean, if you count till 10, and you just take them out and let them strain. All right. So now in this here, I have prepared, and my coffee machine has gone off. I have prepared a pot, and in the pot, this is actually my rice cooker. I'm going to be making the grape leaves in my rice cooker. On the bottom of the rice cooker, I have, as you see, onion and tomatoes. Yes, I'm cooking with meat. Some people, they put on the bottom like a steak or whatever, you know, makes you happy. I usually like that kind of flavor on the bottom. And I have tomato sauce, about 3/4 of a cup. I have sea salt. I have 2 cups of diced onion, 2 cups of rice, and the rice is the medium grain, and you need to wash it because it has vitamins in it. Of course, my grape leaves that I picked out and just put in boiling water for a few seconds and then take them off. I also am going to be using clarified butter, which is ghee. You can use just regular butter, whatever you want. The onion, of course, we use 2 cups. And I'm using these garlic, about 4 large cloves. They're going to go into the stuffing with the meat and the rice. I have 1 bouillon. And you can use either 7 spice, which you buy ready-made in Middle Eastern Lebanese stores, or you can use allspice if that's the only thing you have. These will go between every layer of the grape leaves that I do. I have lime or lemon. You can squeeze them so you can squeeze over everything at the end. I'm going to make the mixture and I'll get back with you. As you see, there is 1 leaf laying here because I'm going to be laying the mixture in here, and then I'll show you how to roll them. So now, after I did the mixture of rice and bison, you could use beef or lamb, onion, garlic, salt and pepper, again to taste. Then I started rolling them, and what I usually do, put a little bit on the leaf as you see, and then fold it like so, this side to that side, and then start rolling it like so, and then you wind up with rolled grape leaves. I'm going to take them now to the pot, and as you see, I have lined them up down here, and I usually do them in this fashion because I do not want them to float up if I put them around in a circular mode like this. So I do them that way, and then I'll do another row. And once I do another row, then I'll add my garlic pieces in between. It gives it an amazing flavor. So I'll get back to you when the pot is full. And as you see, the pot is full, the rice cooker. And I put a little bit of tomato and more spice and some salt. I'm covering it like so. So when it boils, the leaves don't float. And I'm gonna place 1 small plate. I'm going to add water, or you can add chicken broth or beef broth, whatever kind of broth you want. If you don't have a broth, just add your regular water up to about just right here. Okay, it's not way above it, just at the same level. And I'm going to close it, and it'll cook and stop by itself when the rice cooking is done. When it's done, I will show you the rest. Thank you. Here we are. The rice cooker has been ready. And I'm gonna uncover to see. As you can see, the steam is coming out right there. And this is the plate that I put on top, so it doesn't, the grape leaves don't float away. And what I'll do is I'll try, you see how I remove the leaves? Like that. And here are the tomatoes. I'm gonna see if I can grab me a grape leaf right now. Oh, look how tiny and small they are. It's because I had a small leaf, that's why. But the leaves that you buy from the store will be much bigger. The ones I have that I got from my grapevine are small because I was fighting with the squirrels and the deer were eating them, so I was grabbing them while they're small. And here I am. I'm going to share this with you. I know it's kind of warm, but I put lime juice. You could put lime juice or lemon juice, or a mixture of both, or yummy. It is really, really good. I want to thank you so much for joining me today on how to make stuffed grape leaves in a rice cooker. I wish you happiness always. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.